PEARadise. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. A is for art. Hey guys, and this is art part 2. So, since it is Lauren's amazing birthday, we decided that we don't need to do one art activity, we can do 2. Today, we're going to be making SEA-sational Mermaid Slime and putty. Well, slime. We're making mermaid slime. Okay, so here are the ingredients you will need. You will need glue. We're using colored glue and glittery glue. What else would you need, sis? You'll need a bowl. You're going to need a spoon. We're using plastic ones, not the ones we eat on. We have some seashells from the ocean for our addons. And we also have plastic gems. Because mermaids find treasure. And we're going to use this for the treasure. But you can add anything you want for your add-ins. And we're also using liquid starch, which is very helpful. And we're also using this glass cup. Not just a glass cup, a measuring cup. And be careful if you have a glass cup. You might break it. And you'll also need water. So, let's get started and add some music. Let's go. So first, you're going to pour in half a cup of glue. We're using our purple glue, and it's mostly half. So we're using that. Okay, you can pour it in one of the bowls. This may take some time. It's glue. It's not going to come out as soon as you want it to. Just keep it there. I'm going to go get some water. You're going to need half a cup of water while you wait for your glue. The glue is coming! Whoop, whoop. Only a little bit of it. How do you only have... Thank you. Use this point. Okay, that's not working either. Oh. My nose. Be careful with the project on the upper. We are using 2 different colors. And luckily saved her from that glue. No, So we have now 2 different colors. We have some of our purple coming out. And we are getting pink out. Do not put it on the table or else she'll get glue on the table. Please get me a napkin. A napkin? Wow. Yes. I can't hold both of them. Fine, I'll hold pink. Squish! This may take a while, so just be patient with us, you know? Taking a while it's a new bottle. I mean, not a new bottle. Oh! Let's get a new bottle. I am so close. I am using a new bottle, and it formed like this because it's new and it just comes out when you squeeze it. Almost a little bit. I know, right? Look, the new ones are so easy, right? Oh my gosh. Oh hey, this looks like bananas. Alright, so Lauren's is done. So we're just gonna move on to the next step. This looks like bananas. I'm gonna wait for these bananas. Alright, stop. Bananas. So now you're gonna pour in this, and Lauren is gonna mix with that spoon that is new. And so get careful. Get this spoon. Just gonna pour it in. Whoa! Now start mixing. Your glue. Yes, keep mixing. Don't flick. It's glowing! Look at keep mixing. And I'm gonna have glue all over my hand. Okay, when do I stop mixing? Keep mixing until it's completely combined. I think this is combined. And then we'll have one color that is just the same and two colors. And then we can mix them all together and be like, we got a party. Yeah. Color party. Okay, Taryn, refill it. No. 1/4. Okay. So now we're just gonna pour this in. And then what are we gonna do? And then you're gonna mix again. Ooh. So this is what it's gonna grab it together and keep mixing until you have a ball of slime. No splashing, I know you. It's forming. Keep going. Same thing. Look. Oh, that is almost slime. Come on, glue. Look. It's like Jello. So keep going because you're about to get a ball of slime. So just keep going. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that slime. I'd say it's about time. Time to grab it with my hands. Ew, it's so fierce. You guys, this is pretty beautiful. Nice. In slime. Look at mine. And look at, no, that is not yours, remember? You can't take it out. Okay, look at ours. Yeah, and that one's all blue and this one is all clear. And look at this baby. All right, I'm gonna get me some shells. And I need a new shirt too. Yeah, you do. Oh, I want to stir it. You got a big mess to clean up. Shells, shells. Now look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed making slime as much as we did. Hope you guys try this at your next mermaid birthday or any birthday and have fun. Or Spider-Man. This one really looks like Spider-Man. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys. I wish I could wave, but I got sick of hands. Oh, here we go. Bye. Spider webs. Oh, this would be cool for Halloween. Remember to check out, play, explore, and read all about mermaids. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.